Alright, I'm doing a little video clip on Asus GL702VM DB74 because the screen makes a bunch of crackling noises as you open and close it. Mine's always done that, and I didn't really notice it even though until someone else mentioned it and they asked me about it. So I'm going to try to do a video here to see if we can hear it. I've got the GoPro, it's got lots of mics on it, so hopefully it'll hear something. So the problem is if you push on the edges here, it's jackhammering in the background. It's going to be an awesome video. So I don't know if you can hear that crackling, but as you open it, close it, it does make crackling. Kind of push on the edges here and you can hear it, and it's all over the back as well. So it's not super loud, but it's there. It sounds like an old creaky laptop. He said he had problems with the hinges. My hinges are solid. They don't move, they don't make noise. So I don't know if that's helpful. You can hear it. It definitely makes some noises.